What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the engine air filter in a 2026 Hyundai Tucson. This Tucson has the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder motor in it. So as you can see, I've already got the hood popped and we're taking a look at the engine bay. If we look off to the driver's side, we see this item right here. This is the air box. This is what houses the engine air filter. I'm going to grab on this lid right here and just pull up like that. And now we can see the end of our filter right here, and there's two tabs we need to turn to the unlocked position. These will just fold down like that. Same thing with this one. Once we have those two tabs folded down to the unlocked position, we can grab right here and pull our filter out. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement engine air filters if you're in need. Once you get your old filter out, it's a good idea if you can grab like a shop vac or anything and just clean that air box out as much as you can. Once we get the air box as clean as we can slide our new filter in like that, and then we'll just turn these tabs to the locked position. Once we have those two tabs in the locked position, we'll fold our lid down, make sure that's snapped all the way shut, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.